Yuray.
Ikaw. 41 sa...
Di, may ano yan, may liters yan.
To perform para po sa inyong lahat ng mga kababayan namin. Of course, this night would not be possible if not po sa suporta ng ating mga sponsors. To our producer, thank you, The Fridge. Thank you for making the show possible here in Dubai, our official concert venue, Coca-Cola Arena!
Alright, big thank you to Dubai, Canada, Philippine Airlines, and a big thanks to TAG 91.1 FM.
And special thanks to G Productions and Viva Live. I would like to thank Dubai-based Filipino designer Mr. Michael Cinco. Thank you for allowing me to wear your creations, your beautiful creations tonight. Thank you, Sir Michael, and your team. Maraming salamat po. Yes! For our next song, okay na po kayo?
What a great way to end the weekend, right? What a great way, a celebration like this. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Oh my God. Front, hanggang likod. On the sides.
Ayun na sa likod.
We can feel ya. Salamat.
Thank you. This next song is written by Coach Bamboo himself.
This was called Treading Water. on you. Can't stay here, like I said, someone I'm waiting for today, month and year. Gotta stand my ground, even if it rains or snows. If she changes her mind, this is the road that she will go.
Give up forever, if she doesn't know that you feel me so well. You'll miss you tonight, and I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I know, baby, that I'm destined.
Lupa ko sa langit, baka magalit. Alam na natin kung sino ang gusto.
Huli niya yung pinalak mo.
Isang himala, kasalanan ba? Humingi ako sa langit na.
Thank you very much as well.
We're
Always a pleasure.
making my dream come true. Diba? You're having fun! Once again, maraming salamat po to each one of you for being here with us tonight. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng popsters! Hello! Nagulat ako, may mga popsters na nakita ko sa Manila, nandito na ngayon sa Dubai. Hello! Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa lahat ng Ashku! Salamat for all the love and support.
And to everyone who helped make this show possible, maraming salamat from the bottom of our hearts. And it starts with you guys here, from the front, sa gitna, sa likod, sa taas. Thank you very much.
Thank you!
This is for you.
We would like to thank our band tonight, headed by our musical directors, Sir Louie Ocampo.
And a big hand, of course, Rio Soria, everybody. On second keys, we got Nico Rivera, big hand. Come on, show that love. On drums, Mr. Junjun Leonardo. And on guitar, a big hand, Mr. Adi de Guzman.
Yeah!
And on bass, Mr. Simon Ted.
Yeah! And our backup vocals, Miss Yosha Honasan.
Yosha!
Miss Yosha! Maraming salamat din po sa our backup dancers, Coach Jim Amin, Joshua Maravillas, Ira Casim, Andrea Brillantes, and to our Manila prod team, Viva Live, headed by Miss Shinky Pagalico. Palakpakan ko natin si Miss Shinky. With Sean Caparas, Irene Noda, Makoy Infante. Thank you.
And let me say thank you very much to our lighting director, Mackie Mangasi. Hernandez, Sigabayo. And our sound engineer, Eric Payubo. Thank you very much, sir. And our visual director, Glenn Mark Marino. And to the stage manager, Owen Garcia. And of course, to Team Bamboo, my manager right there, Pancho Gonzalez, Sherwin Enriquez, and Boss Team.